Bet nyo ba yun, may usok-usok tayo for today's video. Hi everyone, this is Kichi Vlogs, a Filipino reactor based here in Saudi Arabia. And welcome back to my channel. Agad-agad gawa natin ito reaction video, ang Barda compilation, because ang dami ko pala talagang hindi napapanood. Mayroon din video dito si Mom Nars, if I'm not mistaken, about Barda, na alam mo yung nire-reply sa kanya, yung tipong binibigay sa kanyang, what do you call this, binibigay sa kanyang, mga video, tapos hindi nakatag sa kanya, I mean, na hindi ko pa nakikita. So I won't take any longer. Let's all watch this.
Qualify that.
Wait. I just really care about... Ito yun eh. Ito yun eh, yung nag-smirk siya. Yung nag-smirk siya, no? Wait lang, may ginawa akong content. Na parang yung naipaso po yung... Ngayon sinabi na ni Barbie na I care for you a lot. Pero meron talagang term doon si Barbie na as a friend lang eh. Ay hindi. Oo, as a friend lang. Tapos ngayon I care for you a lot na ano ako sa pimple ko. Na, ayan no. Ay, yeah? Kaya pala binigyan ng bag. For today's video because kinikare naman pala. Kaya pala binigyan ng bag because I care for him. I care for him also. Charis! Gagis, iba talaga. Iba at nakikita mo talaga yung development or yung growth ng kanilang mga mukha pag ini-interview sila. Kitang-kita talaga na parang they are badly in love for today's video. Like literally. They are badly in love. Kitang-kita ang difference ng mga aura nila. Kitang-kita. You cannot deny the fact that there is something special talaga. Right? You cannot deny the fact. Oh, wait lang, may 2 cents. Oh, that line, I care about him a lot. Tapos sinabayan pa ng meaningful na laugh. Indeed, solid na banat yun, nakakakilig, pero may halong playful na challenge. Parang alam ni Barbie na may something na, pero sinasadya niyang ibitin. She's being flirty. Wait, ay, bakit naputol? Wait, sorry. Wait, ano ba yan? Ito. She's being flirty and cheeky, parang nagpaparinig pero pa-cute pa rin. Indeed, she's clearly sending a signal. Totoo naman, that is a signal na, no? Kay David at sa fans. Pero ayaw pang spill ang buong tea. It's like saying something, yes, I feel something, pero ikaw muna, make the next move. At yung tawa, ay grabe, I know something. You don't. Energy talaga. Classic Barbie Banat. Actually, the energy, sabi ko nga kanina, di ba, hindi pa natin ito nababasa. The vibe, iba talaga ang vibe. Iba talaga yung pag-flourish ng kanilang mga facial expression, the way ini-interview sila individually, tapos involve ang isa sa kanila, ma-mention lang yung pangalan ng isa sa kanila, kitang-kita na yung mga facial expression nila. So happy to see them both happy and glowing lovely looks and glowing lovely. May Ginoo, kulang pa yung pagpaparinig mo, lakasan mo pa, dear. Na-touch na nga si Suzette and si Sol for today's video. For me, hindi na kulang yun. Uy, pero don't get me wrong, hindi naman yung sinasadya ni David and it was not his intention. It's just that me as a reactor, I have to say something lang talaga sa nakita ko based sa perspective and interpretation ko doon sa video. Ganyan yung trabaho namin as a reactor. Hindi basta nanonood lang kami tapos, ay, okay. Pero kasi, yun yung nakita ko eh. Yun yung nakita ko sa video, though it was not his intention, pero yun yung nakita ko, na na-touch si Sol and si Suzette Doctorino. Charis! Kilala si Madam Suzette Doctorino, yung sa Sangre ata yun, o sa Pulang Araw, if I'm not mistaken, or Madeklara Tibara. Anyway, eto.
Someone who's in touch
Wait lang, genuinely nice, empathetic, caring, not just in words, but in the little things. Someone who understands the pressure but doesn't add to it, who is touched with life emotionally and stable. When David talks about his dream girl, it's always been the same sweet picture. Oh my God, ang ganda pala nito.
Mamahalin ako, syempre.
Oo. Ibibaby
He
ka?
understands my job.
Oo. Harry.
Smart.
Oh my God.
Care about her a lot.
Ay, niya talaga. She's super understanding with caring. Wow.
Barbie kasi
Ang
she's
daming
the type
video na
na
hindi ko pa
very
napanood.
caring. She empathizes with me in a way na,
Na?
okay, this is how David work and this is how I work. So, okay, let's
Ay, bakit naputol na? Tapos na yun? Ganun na pala talaga dati yun. Ito.
And I mean, si Barbie, she's also super nice na
Super
person
nice.
talaga. So,
Barbie kasi super nice. Ganyan ba talaga dapat na? Oh my God, the words of affirmation talaga from David, no? You cannot. O ito talaga, isa dito sa nagsil ng dili. Iba ang kilig ni David doon. May pangangi-ngangi pa talaga siya. Di ba? Ay, putang ina, that's Merc. That's Merc. May boyfriend dito si Barbie during this time, right? Sabi ko nga sa inyo, doon pa lang sa Asian, yung interview na ginawa ko kahapon, kasi kakaiba talaga yun. Doon pa lang sa interview na nakita ko, kakaiba na talaga si David doon towards Barbie, pero maybe because, siyempre, respeto na lang din. Oh my God, I don't wanna say this. Walang girlfriend si David because... Charis. Oh, di ba? Wait lang, let's see how close. Spoiler, it's giving may karapatan and secret soft lunch vibes. Exactly the point. I love Mommy Nurse video.
I'm so excited for him. I'm so proud of him. At alam ko,
Diba?
napag-uusapan niya to. Lagi niya
Tigilan niyo
sinasabi
ako.
na this is something new for him. Yung story,
It's something new for
yung
him.
character niya. So,
Oh.
nung una medyo nangangapa pa siya, pero he was just
Ay,
so
alam-
excited to work with
Alam na alam mo talaga nangangapa pa siya. Bakit? Nagsabi siya sa'yo? Di ba, girlfriend yan? Chini-chika about sa work? Charis. Yung totoo. Charis, eme. Pero we all know na nag-share talaga si David ng mga thoughts and opinions niya, even experiences niya pagdating sa work. Kasi di ba na-mention niya nga din, na isa din daw si Barbie yung humubog sa kanya bilang aktor. Di ba? Iba naman palang hinubog pala ni David kay Barbie in return. Charis,
alam mo, to support me.
Iba talaga yung vibe niya. Iba talaga ang smile niya pag si Barbie ang pinag-uusapan sa isang interview. Right? Iba talaga. Kitang-kita talaga na kakaiba for today's video. Anyways.
Says a lot about her character and nothing but gratitude.
Ay, sana!
Nothing but gratitude.
Dapat!
Ay,
Gusto ko na siya magkatrabaho ulit.
ay, gusto na pala. Hala, parang hindi ako nagsasawang gumawa ng barda ngayon. Parang gusto ko pang umisa. Diba? Ang mahirap na dito ang thumbnail. Charis. Ay, tinan mo. Iba talaga vibe niya. Iba talaga ang vibe. Right? Oh, kala mo naman talaga. Alam pa ba ni Barbie dito? I am curious kung alam ni Barbie na uupo siya sa tabi ni David. Curious lang ako. Diba? Anyways, there you go guys. That is our for today's video. Our Barda compilation. This is Kitchen Vlogs. And see you on my next vlog. Bye!